Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. This is Sasi Bhushan and it's 18th of February and time right now is 4:16 a.m. So yeah, from today I was thinking of change the schedule. So earlier I used to wake up at 3:30 in the morning, but now I have shifted it to half an hour later. From today, it's like I today I wake up at 4 a.m. So from today we are going to connect at 4:15 for exercise and pranayam, and after that, coming to book reading, we will start at 4:45 sharp. So this is the entire plan, and yeah, we will try to connect multiple times within a day to so like how is it possible to change our life with consistency and hard work. So my main agenda is to prove myself and to prove the world, like yes, with the consistency we can achieve everything and anything whatever we want in our life. So that is my main agenda. So yeah, let's begin with our pranayam today. So yeah, today also we will go with the pranayam. So yeah, pranayam is not a small thing, man. If you really do it with 100% involvement, it will really benefit you. So yeah, the thing is, like, we do exercises like multiple exercises, like all those exercises which requires lots of effort, that also affects our body. But coming to these pranayams, they have their own benefits, they are ultimate. So yeah, people who have not done these things like pranayams, they will feel like hey, what is this, man, whether we are going to make six pack and all through this. So yeah, it's true, like you can't have the six pack with the help of pranayam only. But the thing is, mindset is very important in nowadays. To live your life in a better manner, you have to be with a great mindset. So this all pranayam is going to make your mindset beautiful. So now we will start. So let me set a timer. So we will first of all go with what? We will first of all take some deep breath, inhale and exhale, and after that we will continue. So take some deep breath, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Fine. Now we will continue with Kapalbhati. So let me set the timer. So we will go for 3 sets of 1 minute each. So we will start with 3, 2, 1. Go for it. I am trying to come in the center. Relax and let it go. So yeah, now we will again start with the second set. So you have to feel like this belly portion, no? Like this bottom portion, you have to feel, you have to squeeze it completely, and then you have to release it. So this is the thing you have to do. So on the count of 3, 2, 1, go for it. relax and let it go. So yeah, we are done with two sets. So squeeze your body like this so that you will not find any kind of cramp. So now we will move on for the third set. So before that we will take some deep breath, and after that again we will continue back. So coming to this pranayama now, what Baba Ramdev say, like you should do it at least for 2 to 3 minutes, and these all pranayams like Kapalbhati, Anulom Vilom, Bhastrika, these are the basic exercise. You can say it's like it's as a fundamentals, like ABC of the exercises, related exercise like pranayams and all. So okay, so now we will proceed for the third set again. It will be of 1 minute. So let me restart the timer. So on a count of 3 2 1, go for it. Relax and let it go. So yeah, we are done with the first pranayam. So now we will proceed for the next pranayam, that is Anulom Vilom. So we will do some modification in Anulom Vilom. That is called as Nari Suddhan kind of thing. It's like you are trying to purify your veins and arteries. So what you are going to do, like we have to perform the same things Anulom and Vilom, and you have to inhale from one ear, one of your nose, and exhale from one of different nose, different nostril. And once after the inhaling, now you have to hold it for few seconds. Like you can hold it for 5 seconds, and after that you have to exhale slowly. So this is a thing which you have to do. So let me set the timer. So we will continue it for 3 minutes directly, one set of 3 minutes. So on a count of 3 2 1, go for it. relax and let it go. So yeah, we are done with second pranayam also. So now we will proceed for one more pranayam. It's not a pranayam kind of thing. We will do a very what you can say uh, basic exercise. This exercise is basically for our hips and all. This is called as butterfly pose. So what you need to do, you have to fold your legs like this and hold the tip of your toes with two of your hands, and after that you have to fly like this. So this is the process what you need to do, and you have to enjoy it. Yeah, so we will do it for 1 minute. Let's see, I'm actually experimenting about the timing, like whether it should be 4:15 or 4 or whatever. So I am experimenting, and let's see, we will figure it out, like whether we should start at exactly at 4 or not. Because you know the thing is like mostly we will, after a few days, like 10 or 15 days, we will enhance the timing for this exercise. We will do it for 20 to 25 minutes, and we will involve some good exercises like push-ups and all, various things we will involve, some correlated exercises and all. So like for that 15 minutes or 10 minutes is, I think, not sufficient. So let me figure it out, because you know, after this exercise we will go for our book reading habit. So, and for book reading also I will provide at least 20 to 25 minutes, because you know, giving just 10 minutes is not more than enough. Okay, so as we have planned to finish one book within a month now, we have to do it as fast as possible, and we should put in our life. So coming to this 10x now, I was thinking of, yes, totally follow that 10x whatever it is written in the book. So it's talking about the actions and the work, and yeah, that's the thing, work is the thing which is only going to matters. So whatever you speak and all, that not going to be really matters. It's all about the actions. Only action is there that matters. So that's all. So now I hope it's a very what you can say basic exercise we have done today. So the time right now is 4:30 in the morning. So now we will proceed for we will not proceed for the next pranayam. So that's all for today. So let me figure it out, like if it is possible. I was thinking of, you know, doing these all book reading and all the things which is needed for me, so that I can start my day in a beautiful manner within 1 hour. So if it is possible, I will try to start it at 4 a.m. only. So till 4 to 5 now, we will try to finish all those things. Yeah, and after 5 I have to do my own works, and yeah, I have to utilize the we are actually doing these exercises and all to make our body ready to operate at 10x. So yeah, it's all about the action, and to perform the action you have to make your what you have to make your devices through which you are going to operate at very very great condition. So you might have seen like a soldier getting into war, they really test their AK-47 or whatever pistol they have. They don't go directly into the war. So in the same way, every day is the war. So this morning pranayam and meditation and all these things now, it's like a training session, and after that the entire day is like a battle. So yeah, I want to prove the world, and I will prove it. It might take time. Whatever I followed, whatever I learned from Gary Vaynerchuk, like patience is needed. Everyone want to be rich very fastly, but why? What's need? Not needed. That's all for today. Thanks everyone for joining. So I will try to figure it out, like if it is possible I will try to start at 4:50 4 only. So I will try to wake up at 3:50, and after that from 4 we will directly jump to our pranayam session. So that's all for today. Thanks everyone for joining the session. Bye everyone. Bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.